there's been a large number of you who have been receiving our daily email because you opted in to be part of the challenge, which has my video in it, which is helping you get really clear on what outcomes you want this year and putting a couple of key steps in place to ensure that you get there. Now, if you've missed all of that and you've had your head under the hood for the week, but you'd still like to be part of the challenge, you still can be. And the whole purpose of it was to help you get really clear, because if we're not clear, then we're just hoping, and that's not a plan. And what I wanted to share with you today, apart from that, is 2 books that have been pretty pivotal in shaping the way I think about things, and we also introduce them to our clients at various times too, because like we've been discussing this week with being really overbooked and overstressed and chaotic, your mind is just full of stuff and it never stops, and it's even thinking while you're asleep. So there's a couple of books that will really help you with that I'd love to share with you today. And the first one of those is called The ONE Thing. So this one really helps you eliminate distractions, bright, shiny objects. It helps you get crystal clear clarity on the things that are important in your personal life and at work. And that's kind of what we do in the engine room as well. And this book is a really great way to start on that journey. So you can, grab that on Amazon or eBay or wherever you buy your books. Gary Keller, it's a bestseller. It's been around for a while, but it really is one of those books that I think I've read it 5 times. You just keep going back to it every time you need a bit of a reset or a reboot. The other one along the same lines is called Essentialism by Greg McKeown. And with this one, it really focuses in on when you're feeling like you're stretched too far between work and home. And we've been talking about that this week with, our being overbooked and what that does to us. Generally, it means that you're not getting home on time, spending the time you want with family. And even if you are getting home, your mind is still full of everything at work. So it's not quality time. So with Essentialism, it'll help you with your issue of being busy but not productive. So it's one for you to read. It's one for your leaders to read. We help our engine room clients develop leadership pathways in their businesses, and we'll often help them, with book recommendations and things like that. And this is definitely one that should be part of any leadership pathway when you're trying to create a void for somebody to step into and you want them to be on the same page as you. So they're just 2 little things, 2 little books that I wanted to share with you, The ONE Thing and Essentialism. And they, it will help you in ways that you wouldn't even necessarily have imagined that they would. They'll help you with everyday things, just having that clarity of thought. Take my coffee cup, for instance. My coffee order is made wrong all the time, and we're on a bit of a mission at the Workshop Whisperer to do what we can in terms of climate change initiatives. So we're on the keep cups, and I had my coffee order printed, there we go, on my keep cup so that my coffee order doesn't get wrong. Okay, that's kind of, getting really crystal clear on making sure that something's the way that I like it. Off on a tangent, left of center, but if things aren't working out for you the way that you'd like, then you've got to take the action to change them so that you get the outcome that you want. And coffee made right is a really important outcome for me. And congratulations again to those of you that have been doing the challenge every day.